Want to take a break from WhatsApp without losing your chats? WhatsApp's new Logout feature lets you sign out and keep your data or wipe it clean. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this game-changing update. Stick around to see how it works. GadInsider, your go-to for tech, gadgets, and app breakthroughs. Spot it in WhatsApp's Android Beta v2.25.17.37. The new Logout feature is rolling out soon, giving you more control than ever. No more uninstalling to take a break. Let's break down what this means for you. When you hit Logout, WhatsApp offers three choices: erase all data and preferences to clear chats and settings, keep all data and preferences to save everything for your next login, or cancel to back out. It's perfect for switching accounts or taking a digital detox without losing your history. This feature, first seen in beta, is a big deal for privacy and flexibility. Expos are buzzing. Users love the idea of logging out without deleting their account, especially for shared devices. It's already in testing, so expect it on iOS and Android soon. Whether you're pausing WhatsApp or managing multiple accounts, this update makes it seamless. With WhatsApp's 2 billion users, this could set a new standard for messaging apps. GadInsider fam, will you use WhatsApp's Logout to keep your data or start fresh? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.